Hello, I'm Sketchy. I've been a storyboard artist, concept artist, designer, and brand director in the advertising industry for over 30 years, and I still love drawing. When I was a little kid, people would compliment me on my drawings. They'd say, "Wow, you're really talented." I loved the attention, and it gave me the fuel to improve my drawings every day. I practiced so much that I became good enough to make a living. But even if you don't turn your love of drawing into a career, you can always enjoy it as a hobby. And you can take drawing anywhere. All you need is a pencil and paper and a spark of inspiration. My mission is to inspire your creativity. Sometimes I'll show you step by step how to draw something, and other times I'll just show you what I'm doing. No matter what, I promise we'll have a lot of fun together. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.